same as the what we did yesterday, the create report, but we won't be clicking create report in SumSys since we will be sending it via email. We will be uploading the report. So you can share your screen and I will tell you how to do it. One moment, I will just give you the draft. I'll send it to you by email, sample draft.
Okay.
So I will find. So I will forward it to you. I have forwarded it to your email, so you can check it. So that is the format. You can copy the body, the email body, the dear partners, which starts with dear partners.
Oh, you format it in my email.
Yes, it's in the email.
Yeah. This one. This one. Do.
Yes. But that was the report I sent last time. So in sending the report, you must check if everything is complete in SimSys. From the ident, then profile, then the management, the register tab, and the ownership, security if the subject is listed, then financials if there is, then the text and the credit amount. So you can go to the order which was instructed by Ahmad that you have to send.
Say it again, May.
You have to go to SumSys to get the to check the order that Ahmad is asking you to send. So it's a KSV. We have to update this one. So you have to open the order.
Yeah.
One moment, I was looking for. It's in progress. This one. We have here the list of, what do you call this? Clients, which states the reports.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I don't have access.
I don't have access to it. So that's fine. You can ask me or you can ask Ahmad on if there are special instruction for various clients. So this is how this is. So you do not have access to it yet. Okay, so let's start. So you have to check the order details if it is complete in SumSys. So the name here is PTFSFC. So it was an abbreviation. So you have to add a comment about the name. So you can indicate in SumSys comments that the exact registered name of the subject is PT Suka. Yes, you can copy it in SimSys. The exact registered name of the subject you can change this into the subject. Is that one? Yes. The exact registered name of the subject is PT Suka. Yes, that one. And then check the given address if it matches the address in SimSys. Yes.
Yes, matches.
So,
salah.
one more. And
Not this one though, not Parta Lestari. Oh, yeah, that matches.
yes. So they have indicated here the register. So the director also matches with this. One moment, let's check. I think I have a note for the register. Oh, we do not have the note for register number. So wait a while. I am just checking if I have a note formerly with this one. PTSFC. Oh. Yes, I have a note for this. So you can indicate that it was not possible to ascertain if the provided register number actively belonged to the subject during investigation period.
Oh, hold on. Just a moment. I have this note. It was possible. It was not possible.
Yes, yes, that one. Yes. Yes.
Where? Here?
Yeah, yes, that one. It was not possible to ascertain if the provided registration number
Register number.
actively belonged to the subject during the investigation period. Yes, that's correct. Then you can no, yes, you can click save. One moment. Oh yes, we have linked the win here. Then you can copy the order number.
Hold on, win here. This one?
Oh, why is it not yet linked to yours? One moment.
Because this one, my is, I check the order number. My order number here, 2502A. What is your order number?
It's 37. Yes, 3733. Oh, I was the one who added it. So you have to copy the register, the win number.
Number.
Yes, copy the win number and then
And
SAMSIS win. SAMSIS win.
win.
Yes, that. Then click search.
Search.
Yes. Click search. Oh, I think you have space. It's
Okay.
lacking, I guess. Oh, it's lacking. So you have to, you can copy the one on the internal if, yes, if you need to. Yes, that one.
Oh.
So it's lacking for just 3 digits, I guess. Then click search. Yes, click search. And then after clicking search, you have to copy first the order number and then click save.
Save.
Yes. You have to save first before you link the order in SIMSYS.
Okay.
Then go to SIMSYS and go to credit. Yes, credit. You can copy. You can either copy or you can create a new one. So for this, since we have the subject is still a newly incorporated, being what do you call this? Being registered in July, so it's not yet 1 year. So you can copy it. But since we have you can put the order number here. Yes, order number. No, there should not be spaces. Yes, that is the exact. Then for KSV, as you can see here in the customer for SAMSIS, you can come back to SAMSIS.
SAMSIS.
Yes, some C's. And then the order number.
Here.
Yes, open it again. Then, as you can see, our customer here is KSV Information
Yeah.
GmbH. For KSSV, there is a special instruction that the currency in the credit section should be euro. So uh, we have to convert the you have to convert the credit amount into euro. So we are using uh, XE exchange. You
Apa?
can so I have sent it. Yes, the currency converter. Yes, that one you can click that one. Then change it from Indonesian. Yes, Indonesian IDR. Yes. And then euro. Then you can copy. Yes, that one. Good. So we have 2 in euro. So we can have it as 2.5. It's fine.
Fine.
Give it yes. So commonly for newly incorporated company, we do give 1,000 USD or 2,500 USD depending with the date when it was incorporated and the business activity.
Okay.
So you have to update the credit amount into 2.5.
2.5. Oh, 2.5 here.
Yes.
Credit amount, this one.
No, the maximum credit.
Oh,
Yes.
maximum credit here.
Maximum credit amount, yes. That is 2.5.
2.5.
2,500. 2,500, sorry. We're using the
Okay.
shortcut. Sorry. I was used to having 2.5 as in thousands. So it should be, yes, that one, 2,500. Then you can save it.
7.
Yes. Then after saving it, you have to create report. Yes,
Report.
report. I create report. Sorry, generate the report or call the report. Then yes, no, we for KSV, since it's German, it is a German company. The language is in German, so we have to click mix
Oh my
here.
god.
So
Hold on.
use mix this one.
This one.
Yes, mix. That
Next.
is for KSB. But commonly for the credit report normal, we only select report. But since KSV is a special case that they uses the German language, we what I call this, we use the mixed report format so that so that all of the information will be included in the report. If you use the report only, it will be there are cases that some information is missing, those which are written in English.
Okay.
So the report will pick up only the German language information if you pick. So let's try to check the first one if it is a complete report. This one, the first one you generated. No, sorry, the other one.
Yan.
Yes, that one. Yes. You can click that and then check. Yes. As you can see, we have the German language here.
Yeah.
Yes. So you can check here. This is the comment that we had. As you can see here in the upper portion, the exact registered name of the subject is PT Suka Finance Consulting. So for credit report, normal credit reports, the SAMSIS comments appear in the upper portion of the report, the credit report. So you can also double check there whether you have added the correct notes or the correct comments for the information provided by the subject. So then we will scroll down. You have the address. Yes, scroll up. So scroll down. So the these codes are also in German language.
Yeah.
That one. And for the activity, since we have provided it in English, it will be written as English, or it will appear as English in the credit report.
Mm.
Then next is, sorry, scroll down, up. Yes. Yes, we have complete report. No other additional information. Then let's go to text.
The text.
Yes, it's in the lower portion of the report.
Oh,
Yes,
here.
yes, yes. That one. We have financials. For the financials with which are recently incorporated, we add a note that's in view of the recent establishment. So this is for the incorporated companies within the year. For example, it was this one, it was incorporated in July 2024, so it's only March 2025 and it was not yet a year-old company. So we can consider that as a recently established company.
Okay.
Then we have the credit amount here down there. Yes, the credit information there. You can see that if you translate that, it will show that the company is recently incorporated. I think everything will be written here. If you selected a newly incorporated, that is also explained here. This one, the financial situation and the financial comment. So it will be included. Then I think that one is complete. But for some reports, it's not complete. Only some other texts are not included, I guess, if you created the reports. But for mix, it is completed. So we can choose that or the other one. So I think both are complete report. So we can choose the second one that you generated. Just download it.
Oh, download it.
Yes, download it and save.
Download.
Yes, download and open the folder.
Folder. This one.
Yes, click rename. You have to rename it with the company name.
The company name.
Yes, Pitisuka.
Oh, this one. Not here. Not the.
No, not the given name. You have to rename it with the correct registered name.
Okay.
Then click rename. Yes. Yes, we will be using that. So after that, you have to go back to Gmail, and then click I compose.
Click what?
You have to compose a new email. Yes, compose a new email.
Compose.
And then go back to SAMSIS. We have SAMSIS internal. We have here the contacts given. Yes, at the upper part, yes, that is the email given by the subject. There are times that the body has still email down there, but mostly for KSB, we only have one email. So you can copy that, and that will be our receiver. So copy that to the Gmail. Yes, Gmail. Then CC Ahmad. You have to CC Ahmad.
CC Ahmad.
Yes, and you can CC me as well. Yes. Yes. And then for the subject, we have to get the reference from SAMSIS.
Reference from SAMSIS.
Yes. It is in the upper portion. Yes.
Upper portion.
Yes. Then click I get copy the reference. This one. After the format. Yes.
Hold on. Format. Ini, this one.
Yes, that one.
Reference, okay.
So you were saying Inni, some of the dialects in the Philippines also speaks Inni. Inni means here, yes.
I noticed then lima, I think some word.
Inni, yes. Inni means here, here it is like
Yeah.
yes. For us, we use this as ito.
Same. Itu means
Yes.
that.
Yeah, yes, also ito. Yes, you're using that ito. So after copying that, you have to click space and then copy the name of the subject.
Hold on. The name of the subject. The name. Oh, yeah. This
Yes,
one.
the name again. You have to use the name.
Oh, the
Yes.
name. Ah, the name. This one.
Yes. Yes, the name of the you can copy it in Simsys or Sampsys either way which makes you comfortable. Then yes, add
This.
space. No, no, not the hyphen, space only. Yes. And then paste it. Yes. Then we'll have to go to the body. The
But
body has we add dear partner. You have to click the one that I sent a while ago. The email I sent a while ago, there is a body. There is down. Yes.
this
Yeah,
one.
dear yes, that one. Dear partner, please find the attached report ordered. Yes, that one.
Babe. Sorry. May I don't have this.
Oh, you don't have that yet. So let's go to one moment. Go to settings of this Gmail. Yes, settings. And then check. See all settings.
See all setting.
Yes. See all settings, then go to signature.
Signature.
Yes, that one. That one. Yes.
And then wait. Did I have it? Oh, do I have it? I have it.
Yes, you have it.
Oh,
I guess you have not this one. You have to click you have selected no signature. So you
yeah.
have to click this one. Here down here. No, sorry.
Dun.
Yes.
Oh, this one.
Yes. You have to work. Yes, that one. Work.
Oh,
Then click save.
save.
Yes, save.
Okay.
Yes. Try to click compose again.
Okay.
Oh, here. You have now you now have it. But you have to transfer. You can transfer, yes. Just click copy email.
Salah. Copy email.
Yes.
Okay.
Just yes, that one. And then just add Ahmad and
Email.
me. I'm not sure if Maria will still be added. You can also add her.
Okay.
Just add her. Do you communicate? I think yes. Yes, you
Yeah.
can. Yes, you can. You add. Yes, you need to add Miss Maria. Then add the.
Can I close?
Yes, you
And
can
then
delete that. Then, dear partner, please find the attached report ordered and then save. Since you already have kind regards, you
oh
can
yeah.
remove the kind regards. Yes, that one. Yes. I think there's a space above dear partner. You can remove that. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Perfect. Then let's attach the report.
Oh iya benar. Attach the report. This one.
Yes. So if ever you were sending a report, you can once you send the report, you can delete it on your folder. So it will not be there won't be a mistake in archiving it or
Understand.
archiving also or uploading the report. So it will not be a problem that you sent a different report.
Okay.
Yes. So you can click open. Yes. After it is uploaded, you have to double check everything. So check the email if it is correct. Yes, KSV. Check the reference. Yes, that one. And
Reference.
then the company name if you have added it correctly.
Okay.
So as we can see, we have correct name. And then if the document you attach is correct, you can see it in the, yes, that one, you have correct document. You also need to open that before you send it. So you are sure, we need to be sure that it is a correct document. Since there are instances that the report attached is an incorrect one. Yes, that one. So it is correct. You can scroll down if you want to check it again for triple checking. Then after checking, you can click send.
Okay. External name.
Yes, that
No,
one.
we don't have that one here.
Which one?
Why is this stored? Hold on. No. Never mind. Forget it.
Oh, it must be the format. A while ago, we had the format as it was
English.
fit. No, it was fit in the first, I guess. But I think it's just the same.
Okay.
We have a complete information.
Yeah, only this one. I remember there is like the. Okay, May.
Oh,
I'll,
I think it was transferred on the last page.
yeah, like
If
the.
I remember it. Yes. Oh,
Nah,
yes. Yes, that
this
one.
one needs to go up here. Maybe the size or.
Yes. Or maybe because we use the reports format and not the mix format. Maybe that is why.
Oh yeah. Oh no, same. Maybe my format.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
it is the format, I guess, since it's a different report that we selected. So we can send the report then. And then after
Okay.
sending it,
Oh.
you have to go back to SAMSIS. We need
Okay.
to close the report.
Okay. Sums is
Yes.
here.
So click browse.
Browse.
Yes. And then click the yes, the document. Then
Okay.
click open. Then you have to make sure that you have inserted the correct document there. So
Yeah.
commonly you can see that on the name. Then click save.
Save.
That will automatically close the order and it will not appear in SAMSIS. So you
Okay.
can check that in SIMSIS archive.
This is archive.
Yes, SIMSIS and then archive. As we can see, we have the report delivery document type. You can check that. Download and then you can see it. If you open it, it is for the subject, for our subject. Yes, perfect. So you know now. So I think they will let you send the report starting or from now on, I guess. Once the report is reviewed by either me or him,